Hello folks, let me introduce you to this food strainer and juice maker. This is something I recently discovered. It works really well. Comes with several different screens for different textures. The one that it's provided with in the store where I bought it is for juicing only. There's two others you can get that make either thicker juice or a salsa consistency. But I'll run this, and I don't know how I made it this long without it. Alright, you just quarter the tomatoes if they're large, or half them. Some don't need cut at all. It's a hand crank operation. They give you this push tool here, and you just crank it and force the tomatoes through the auger. And it's just about as quick as. The only thing that'd be better is motorized. But the pulp comes out the end, and the juice comes out on the side. As you can see, your bowl of juice fills up pretty quick. And then you can rerun the pulp if you're not happy with the way it's going, and get just a little more juice. As you can see, it comes out seedless juice. I mean, like I say, I don't know how I lived without it all this time. The other screens, the bigger one makes salsa really well. I've used it. The medium screen is for like apples and pumpkin, I believe. But they can be ordered, and then you'll have a full set. This thing was pretty cost effective. I highly recommend it. Thank you. There you have it. In a matter of about 10 or 15 minutes, we've made over 2 gallons of juice. This thing works great, folks. You run your peelings back through one time and get everything out of it. Highly recommended.